Hello, fellow teacher. Did you know that in your classroom, you have students with different learning styles and preferences? To ensure learning happens at the same pace for all, you are encouraged to apply Universal Design for Learning, UDL. UDL is a teaching approach designed to optimize learning by using flexible methods, materials, and assessments to accommodate different learning needs for all students in the classroom. UDL is mediated in 3 principles, namely multiple means of representation, multiple means of engagement, and multiple means of action and expression. Multiple means of representation. To apply this principle, you are expected to create an inclusive and engaging learning environment by using diverse instructional methods, including visual, auditory, text-based materials, assessive technologies, hands-on activities, peer discussions, flexible access, and quick assessments. Multiple means of engagement. To apply this principle, you are expected to recognize and accommodate individual differences to enhance students' engagement and motivation. Multiple means of action and expression. To apply this principle, you are expected to offer diverse assessment methods, encouraging verbal and written expression, incorporating hands-on activities, and using technology to allow students to demonstrate understanding in various ways. Teacher, you are requested to incorporate or apply these 3 principles into lesson planning and curriculum delivery in your classroom. Learner's readiness.
Learner's readiness, this is an entry point for the learners or students to be prepared for learning. And in the learner's readiness, we can apply one of the 3 principles of UDL. That is multiple means of engagement. In learner's engagement, we are going to apply different ways of engaging learners. For example, a teacher can use a song, a teacher can play a video, a teacher can tell a story, and so on.
There. Everybody, there. There is a farm. In from the farm, we get good things. Such as meat, milk, eggs, and many others. Clap for yourself, friends.
Introduction.
After learner's readiness, in UDL, we have introduction. In introduction, a teacher can apply multiple means of engagement by creating safe and supportive learning environment, which is going to motivate these learners or students to learn.
In introduction, learners enter the lesson with the support of the teacher through demonstration, storytelling, role plays, video plays, chat display, and many more.
Friends, before we can start our lesson, I have some questions for you. Are you ready? Yes. Very good. How many have birds at home? Okay, that is very good. Which bird do you have? Joseph, which bird do you have at home? You have a chicken at home. Can you give him flowers?
Flowers.
Jessica, what do you have? You have Ataki. Can we clap for her? Strong hand clap, everybody. Okay, very good. Do you think our birds good?
Yes.
Are birds good to us?
Yes.
Why do you think they are good? Why do you think birds are good to us? Yes, please.
They give us eggs.
They give us eggs. Tap here. Very good. Another one. Oh, some they provide us with meat production. Before we can go further, I have an image here, and we are going to follow it. Okay? We are going to follow this image. Who can identify for us this image? Identify the image. Yes, John. Everybody repeat after him. It is called what?
An egg.
Everybody.
An egg.
Can we clap for him? Who can guess the lesson of today? Who can guess the lesson of today? Yes, please. Chicken rearing. Thank you for trying. Another one? Yes, Jessica. Chicken reproduction. Can we clap for her? We are going to study about chicken reproduction. Everybody repeat after me.
Chicken reproduction.
Everybody.
Chicken reproduction.
And at the end of the lesson, you will be able to give at least 4 parts of an egg. Parts of an egg. Are we together?
Lesson development.
In the lesson development, this is where the real teaching and the real learning is taking place. In the real teaching and real learning, a teacher uses the 2 principles of UDL. These are multiple means of representation. Here, a teacher uses multiple means of representation. Maybe, for example, he can use a video to represent a content, can use a story, can use diagrams or images to represent a content. Because remember, behind all this, we are having an inclusive classroom.
I'm going to play for you a video, okay? I'm going to play for you a video, and after the video, I'm going to ask you some questions, okay? I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Today's teaching and learning material is about the internal structure of the egg. So as you can see here, the white part of the egg, the outer shell of the egg is known as eggshell. So we'll just stick it to the Velcro. The inner white part is known as albumen. And the most inner part, that is in the yellow color, is known as the yolk. That's egg yolk. So this is about the internal structure of the egg and its parts.
Which part have you followed from the video? Basing on the video, which part have you followed? Yes, Joseph? Egg yolk. Thank you so much. Okay, good. Another one. Yes, Keza? Egg shell. Thank you so much. Another one. Which part have you followed? Argument. Thank you so much. Friends, basing on the video, those are the parts that we have followed. Okay? Now.
In lesson development, we have another principle, UDL principle, which is multiple means of engagement. And this is where a teacher uses different styles, because we are having learners with different learning styles. For example, a teacher puts the students in groups and provides them with activities where these learners inclusively, they are going to be using multiple means of engagement. For example, one group can use hands-on activities or experiment. Another group can have playing video. Another group can have presenting images or charts. But all these focus on the same content. Why? We are having different students with different learning styles. Therefore, we need to apply different ways of engaging them so that the learning takes place at the same pace and the students are motivated in the learning.
During lesson development, you should promote collaboration, encourage creative expression through diverse communication methods, allow self-pacing, offer students a choice on how they respond, and use flexible tools and resources, both digital and printed, to accommodate different learning styles.
What is this? What is this? We are going to dissect this egg and we identify the path that we followed from the video. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Basing on the video and the relationship to this egg here, which is here, which part was this? It is called? This is called an egg shell. Okay. What about this part here? This one, which is right here. This one here. Are you following this part here? This one, which is white. Are you following it? This one. Which part is this? Egg membrane. Egg membrane. Okay? Then, if you follow again this part inside here, okay? It is something like a space, which is here. Are you following it? This space here? Which part is this? Air space. Beautiful. Then, when we come here, there's this part here. This one, the whole of this. Which part is this? Albumen. This part is called? Albumen. Then when you look at, when you follow this part here, which is yellow in color, it is called? Egg yolk. Beautiful. Then there's another one here, it is white, this one here, and another one is this side here. There are two from either sides. How do we call this part here? Exactly. This side is called charaza. It is called the charaza. So friends, this group, thank you so much. Can you clap for them?
The importance of applying multiple means of representation and multiple means of engagement during lesson development is to help the teacher and the students themselves inclusively to learn perfectly at their learning pace.
Assessment and conclusion.
After lesson development, we are now going to look at assessment. In assessment, students have already done their activities, and now the teacher needs to know how they have done the activities. What is their ideas? What is their findings? Students are going to use multiple means of action and expression, whereby a student can decide to use either by telling a story, by having an experiment being conducted, by presenting the real image of what he has learned. The student can also use a video or a project to express his or her ideas from the learning process.
Are eggs good? Yes. Why do you think eggs are good? Why do you think eggs are good? Yes, please.
They help us to grow healthy.
They help us to grow healthy. Flowers, flowers to our friend.
Flowers, flowers, flowers for you.
Why do you think eggs are good?
Eggs are good because they are source of proteins and things which are from animals. They're the things that make up the protein that we eat and eat.
Thank you so much.
During the assessment, teachers are expected to differentiate assessment difficulty. Use different assessment formats such as quizzes, projects, presentations. Then offer learners different options to demonstrate learning and incorporate real-world relevance and interactive assessments such as games or simulations to help maintain students' interest.
Who is going to be number one? To come and pick a card and you paste it where it's supposed to be. Yes, John, come. Come and pick a card. Pick a name of a card and then you put it there. Pick one. Okay? Take it there. Is he correct? Yes. Can you read it for us? Read it for us. The part that you have pasted.
Thank you.
Everybody repeat after him.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, pick one, pick one. Can you present to us that part? Present to us.
Eggshell.
Everybody?
Eggshell.
Once again?
Eggshell.
Okay, can you now paste it where it's supposed to be? Here. Can you clap for him, please? Okay, thank you so much. Friends, there is only one part which is remaining. There is only one part, this one which is remaining. Can we say it, all of us?
Argument.
Everybody.
Argument.
It is argument. Everybody?
Argument.
Please clap for yourselves. So friends, we have learned that a bird reproduces by laying eggs. By laying eggs. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. And an egg has got many different parts, such as air space, eggshell, albumen, egg yolk, charaza, and shell membrane. Friends, as we come to the end of our lesson, I have a homework for you, okay? Are you ready for the homework? Draw an egg and name at least 4 parts of an egg. Who has finished? Who has finished? Oh, wow, that is good. That's very powerful. Let us wait for our friends all to finish, okay? Okay, friends, I think everybody has finished the homework, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so our friends, thank you so much for your participation in our lesson. Let us meet in the next period. Bye.